Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Indian School of Physics. Guys, this is Nathan here, and today I've come up with a problem from atomic collision of modern physics and the possible transitions it can have. So guys, this video is brought to you by Indian School of Physics and Unacademy together, and you can access my theory courses which are of advanced plus levels for boosting your JEE preparation. You can unlock these courses on Unacademy using my code Nathan Sir. And guys, trust me, physics will never be the same again for you. And for more info you can visit www.unacademy.com. and guys, liking, sharing, subscribing is love, so keep liking, keep sharing, and keep subscribing. And here is the problem statement. A neutron of mass m is moving with the initial kinetic energy of 13.6 into 17 by 16 towards a singly ionized helium atom. Its mass is given 4m, and it is at rest in ground state. The collision is inelastic, either you can say partially or completely. Then find out the possible transitions in the He plus atom. And we have to start with that change in kinetic energy during the collision is given by 4 times 1 minus e square ki by 5, where e is the coefficient of restitution. So we'll be starting with this part first. And this is the situation given to us. Mass m is approaching to the 4m mass, which is at rest, and after collision their velocities are v1 and v2. So we can define here coefficient of restitution as velocity of separation after collision, and divided by velocity of approach before collision. So it will become E is equal to v2 minus v1 by v, and this definition of v we write along the common normal. Anyways, here the situation is head on. And then linear momentum conservation, if we apply, mv is equal to mv1 plus 4mv2, and from here you can see that v is equal to v1 plus 4v2, and these two equations if we combine here, and we can use we can find out the value of v1 and v2. Alright, so I'm not showing that calculation here, but this loss in kinetic energy you can write as k initial minus k final. Please remember, in case of photon absorption, the excitation will be corresponding to the exact value of energy difference, whereas in case of atomic collision, the energy absorbed can be broken into two parts, and one part will be used in the excitation and the remaining part will get back to the system and will be giving the final velocity of approaches. So this is slightly different here compared to the excitation by photons. So anyways, when we substitute the value here, initial kinetic energy is half mv square, and final kinetic energy of the system is half mv1 square plus half 4m into v2 square. When we simplify, we obtain this relation, which is delta k is equal to 4 by 5 1 minus e square times initial kinetic energy. After this, it is given as helium, so basically we can write minus 13.6 z square by n square. This is the energy in nth state. So corresponding energies we can write. So you can see here energies are like this. I have directly taken this data from the books, otherwise we have to do these calculations. So you can see here it will come as 13.6 z square by n square. So corresponding energy in first, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4. And finally ionization energy also, E infinity also we are writing. So 1 to infinity, this is the ionization energy here, and energy difference between 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, and like this we are writing. So possible losses in energy can only be these energy gaps which are present here for the collision. Alright, now if it is say perfectly inelastic collision, if the delta k, the loss in kinetic energy, is exact equal to energy difference, in that case the possibility will be either collision maybe it can be perfectly inelastic or it can be elastic also. It's totally a random process. So anyways, here it is given to us that collision is either going to be perfectly elastic or inelastic. So we know these energy gaps here between 1, 2, 3, 4, and for other orbits also we can take. Now the initial kinetic energy is given to us, and which is 63.75 electron volt, since the collision is either inelastic or perfectly inelastic, so we are dealing with this data. E can be 0, but E will never be equal to 1, because corresponding to E equal to 1, there is no loss in energy at all. So for E equal to 0, we are checking here, and this value comes out to be 4 by 5 Ki, and you will see this value is exactly 51 electron volt, which is corresponding to 1 to 4. And if it is 1 to 4, there is a possibility of 1 to 2, and energy difference 51 minus 40.8, the remaining that energy will go for the separation of atoms. It will get back in the form of kinetic energy to the individual masses. Similarly here, and similarly here, this will be the corresponding perfectly inelastic collision or elastic collision. Maybe it can absorb this or may not be absorbing this, but anyways, we don't have to consider perfectly elastic situation, so we are ignoring it. So only possibility will be perfectly inelastic collision can lead to 1 to 4 transition, and inelastic collision can lead to 1 to 3 and 1 to 2. So these are the possible transitions here, that 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 are the possible transitions. This is going to be the answer, guys, finally. And here one important announcement is there. You can fast track your JEE preparation with Unacademy Super 20 program, and it will be somewhere from November 30 to December 12th. We will be selecting top 500 rankers, and to attend a 2-day in-person boot camp, most likely in Bangalore city, and there will be personalized care by the top educators of Unacademy. You can definitely it will be a completely different experience, and you can use my code Nitin sir in order to participate in these exams, and lucky draw will be conducted to select 20 learners out of top 500 rankers. All right, and we will have boot camp with top educators who have produced top ranks, including All India Rank 1, and all the expenses, everything will be paid by the Unacademy, and you'll have guidance, study plan, and a lot of tips and tricks by the top educators in those 2 days. And yeah, it will be one of its kind experience. And another mega offer is going on, everyone. So if you get subscription for 18 months, whether it is Plus or Iconic, you'll be getting 3 months extension into that. All right, and this offer is valid only up to 30th November. And similarly, for if you buy for 6 months, you will be getting 1 month extension in both Plus and Iconic subscription, and it is valid again till 30th of November, and it is valid only for new users of Unacademy. So I hope guys you have enjoyed this video, because such problems are quite tricky, and normally they are students find them very difficult. I don't know why, but they are very straightforward problems on atomic collision, and have been asked in the past in JEE advanced exams. So it's a very likely that in future also such problems will be having great relevance, in my opinion. So that's it, guys. If you have enjoyed this problem, please leave a like, share this video with others, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you. Thanks for watching it.